Hi everybody. I just kind of sat there and stared at my camera. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I want to do another magazine flip through because these Annie's Crochet newsletters are really fun and I really enjoy doing these because there are some pretty cool stuff in them. And I'm ready for a break. So get comfy, sit back, and let's get to it. This one is June of 1998. Look at that pretty top. I was just looking at the back. It's showing everything that's in this, I about said episode, in this magazine. Very pretty stuff. All right, let's get to it. We have... Okay, this is called the Kismet, Kismet tablecloth. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but it says, Dining Delights. Part of the art of hospitality is inviting guests to a table laden with favorite foods. Add to the convivial atmosphere with crocheted accessories that dress up your dining area in handcrafted style. This is a very pretty picture. Look at that. Honestly, if I sat down there to eat at that table, I would feel like I'm going to make the biggest mess and ruin everything. So I'd be like, can we eat somewhere else? Okay. Ooh, look at this. So now we have the fleur-de-lis pot holder. I can pronounce that one. A fleur-de-lis pot holder. That is a really good idea for a pot holder. If you guys can hear in the background, again, today it is super windy. Oh wow, look at this flower rings. For your napkins. Sorry, I can't hold it still. And still, my voice is messed up. I wish I had a crock pot that had this kind of a lid because these are adorable to me. Look at that. I think that's going to be whenever we do go to antique stores again, because we haven't for a little bit because we don't have the money to spend on it. But when we do start going back, I'm going to start looking for an old crock pot like that because I want one. Okay, so we have, this is a round table, so this is a letter to Annie as in the magazine. It says, Dear Annie, I love your patterns. They are so much fun to make, but I have arthritis and fibromyalgia. So I really wish that the patterns you have for 11.5-inch fashion dolls would be made from yarn. I know they would not be as delicate, but I could dress them up with ribbons and bows and such. Thanks for listening. Joyce from Aurora, Illinois. That is a couple hours north of me. It says, thanks for your letter, Joyce. Once in a while, we receive requests like yours and we try to accommodate them, even while most crocheters say they prefer thread for fashion doll clothing. You might keep an eye on our Annie's Attic catalog. In it, we periodically feature fashion doll patterns made from yarn. To receive a free catalog, call blah blah blah. In the meantime, you may be able to adapt some simple thread patterns using spore or baby yarn. You'll need to adjust the number of stitches you make in each round, which you can do by checking the pattern against the doll. If that sounds like too much work, keep watching our publications and we'll try to include occasional yarn patterns for fashion dolls. Annie. Ooh. Gathering of gifts. Isn't it rewarding to mark the passage of our lives by sharing festivities? And what is a celebration without gifts? Take advantage of the inventiveness. I don't know why that word is so inventiveness of crochet to make presents for all those special moments. This is a lattice fan and a lattice hat and fan. This is really pretty. Look at that. There's the hat. And then here's the little fan. I mean, obviously, this would just be stuff you'd hang on the wall. Or maybe you could frame that fan. The hat you couldn't. Or, well, you could put the hat in it, like a shadow box kind of thing. And then put it in there, you know, made by such and such on this date for such and such. That's really cute. It did a really good job with that lace. I mean, everything looks so symmetrical. All right, next we have, woo, a gay 90s gown for a not Barbie. Look at that. That is very pretty. I like that a lot. Here. It says gay 90s. Man, I like that a lot. That is very, very, very pretty. Okay, now we have, so Beverly, the designer of that dress, says, I'm trying to clear my throat before I start. I love the creativity involved in being able to make just about anything from thread or yarn using crochet. She learned to crochet from a friend about a decade ago and has since designed crochet patterns for a number of needlecraft publications. This Arizona housewife and mother of one daughter also enjoys photography, hiking, and rock collecting. That's cool. I just got an itch on my back. That's pretty neat. Okay. So now we have an infant's headband, or you can use it as a bride's garter. This is very pretty. Look at that. I'm going to get real close so you can see the design. That's really, really pretty. I wonder if they crocheted it around the elastic or if the elastic's sewn together. No, it must be sewn together because it's, dang it. It is, I'm trying to see where it says, oh. Few ribbons to double crochet stitches of row covering elastic. Weave elastic through double crochet of row, beginning and ending at seams. Sew ends together, yeah. Okay, that's really pretty. This is a hunter green wheels Afghan, I believe. Yeah, it's an Afghan. Oh, you can see the stitches really good on in the camera. Now, like for me to look at it, you can't. The stitches aren't really easily seen, but on camera you can see it really good. I like that a lot. I like the color too. All right, add. Oh, here's the. Holy cannoli! It's got a lot of motifs to make that Afghan. Jeez. Okay, here's Off the Hook. Answer to your crochet problems. Even though I'm now using fabric stiffener instead of starch, I still find some of my stiffened items getting limp. Can you give me some hints? Answer. Using a quality fabric stiffener such as Aleene's, place crocheted item into a bowl. Some people prefer a Ziploc bag. And pour in enough undiluted stiffener to saturate the item. The key is working the stiffener well into every thread. Knead and squeeze the item until you're sure stiffener is completely distributed. Then squeeze the item as dry as possible. The more stiffener you remove, the less residue will show on the finished item. Placing the item on fabric for drying helps prevent film from forming in some places, but is harder to keep stiffened items from sticking to it than plastic wrap. Once the item is dried, take care to keep it away from strong sunlight, high heat, or humidity. With today's new heavy-duty stiffeners, you should have few problems. Oh, this is pretty. Living well. Graceful living is designed not by acquisitions and checkbook clout, but by wealth of friendships and discovering beauty in each day with a bit of crochet. Enrich your soul with these pretty projects. This is Raspberries Among the Ivy. That's pretty. I like that a lot. It almost looks like little roses. I like it a lot. I have a feeling this is going to be a short episode because there's not a lot in this one. Oh, look at this. A bell pull and table runner. What's a bell pull? Like a wall design? Like a wall decoration? Man, is that green and gold together beautiful. I absolutely love that. Very pretty. If you could hang like 2 of those on a wall, like with something like a shelf or something in between each, that's really pretty. It says Hunter Green and Honeysuckle. So the colors are Hunter Green and Honeysuckle. It looks like gold to me. It doesn't look like a honeysuckle. Here's a quick and easy doilies. Oh, it's 2 patterns. I like these. I like that one. These little things are cute. All right, what do we have? That's it. Well, dang it. The 98 must have a little short. There's some very cute patterns in it, but dang, man, I thought it was going to be a little longer than that. Well, today's a short episode. Sorry. Well, some of you may like it that way. There you go. There is May, June of 1998. All right. Well, which one was your guys? Oh, I forgot to say that. Which one was your guys' favorite? Mine would definitely have to be the dress. I think that dress is very, very pretty. Which one was your guys' favorite? Comment that in the comment section. And while you're down there, check out the description box. I got all kinds of links for you guys. Okay, I'm going to say the dress and that. The crock pot lid cover. I want one of those. Anyway, hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss what's next. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.